Okay, here we go, folks. Another one of Chico's room reviews. Today we're at the Mirage Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm here on a small business trip, so I got a smaller room. But take a look at this bathroom. Oh, look at this. Good looking bathroom there, isn't it? A big mirror. Big. Got some towels, some toilet paper, a good looking trash can. Yeah, folks. Got a nice wall. Okay. And then we got a nice entryway here with some pictures. Look at, well, it's kind of a flower. Very soothing. Got a nice drawer here. So folks, you can fill this drawer up with all kinds of good things. You know, a couple pounds of meat maybe. We got a nice closet here. Look at, oh, it lights up when you open it. That's pretty fancy, guys. Fancy. Got it. What it? Look at. Oh, I'm not sure how that. Well, yeah. Okay. Take a look at this. Look at these. Look at this. Oh, that's a lot of hangers. Wow, lots of hangers there, folks. Now they call this the King Resort Room. It's a very resorty room. Look at this over here, guys. Look at. You get these snacks they give you. Oh, I can't wait to dig into that stuff right there. I can't. It looks. You won't believe what we got in here. Take a look at this. Yeah, I'm gonna be hitting that tonight. It's all free. It's all free with your resort fee. You just pay a resort fee, folks, and you get all this stuff for free. Because this is the resort room. We got a television, some lights on the wall. We got this kind of weird looking thing. Yeah, kind of a weird. You got a chair here and a desk. Then you got another chair. So you got a command center there. Listen, this is unusual, folks. We got a phone over there. And then you come over here, folks, and you got another phone here. You got another phone right there. And this lamp. This right here. Look at that. Another flower. It's very flowery here. Flowers. And look at the bed. It's comfortable. I slept pretty well. I was pretty tanked up last night out with the fellas. We got a nice view. Look at the view. Look at splendor. The splendor of Las Vegas. It's beautiful. It makes you just kind of like think of wonderful things, folks. And you got chairs. You got that there. And take a look at this thing here. So that was on the bed. Not sure what you do with that thing. Just not sure. And look at this big chair. Take a look at it. Beautiful. So this isn't much of a big room like I usually get, folks. I usually get a bigger room, but this is a business trip, so I don't kind of get the big rooms on the business trip. But look at, I'm going around for you. If you're gonna get this hotel room at the Mirage, make sure it comes with all the goodies with the resort fee. Okay? Great stuff for the kids. Make sure to tell the kids to grab their snacks. You got all this great stuff here. Okay? It's kind of a small room, but listen, I got a nice clock here. Looks like a tire. Yeah, it looks like a tire. I don't understand that thing. So listen. So if you're liking this room review, folks, leave me a comment below. I'd like to hear your feedback on this video. I'm trying to make sure I do every aspect of room review etiquette. So just maybe You know, listen. You got a lot of great things going on in this room. You got some drawers here too. You can put something in there, some tacos, you know. Then look at the view again, folks. Come to Las Vegas. You just kind of sit and look out the window. It's beautiful. Beautiful. So again, folks, if you like my room review, leave me a comment. I'll be doing more as I travel. I'm going to the Orient very shortly. Gonna have some noodles. Okay, here's the Mirage. Nice hotel. I'll do some videos of outside. They got a big fountain outside. Like a big fountain show. Yeah, big fountain show. Okay, folks. Well, thank you for looking at Chico's room, and we'll see you next time on the Chico Room Review channel. Bye-bye.